wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I
Spin scrubber only weighs 0.68 pounds, making this compact, energy saving, and it is extremely easy to hold and clean a variety of surfaces around my home. And this powerful motor can tackle even the toughest of messes with ease. This has a built-in high capacity 2000 megahertz battery and uses a C-type charger that is included in the box. This can work continuously for around 60 minutes and only takes 1.5 to 2 hours to fully charge. This powerful spin brush spins at 215 RPMs, but you don't have to worry about your cleaning products splashing everywhere while you clean. In the box, it includes 4 different scrubbers, so that flat brush is great for bathtubs, tiles, walls, even kitchen stovetops, whereas the little corner brush is great for grout, car wheels, and narrow areas. The blue scrubbing brush is a perfect option for plates, ovens, glass, whereas the brown scrubbing brush is great to tackle rusty metal, tables, chairs, grills, or even cookware covers. This is the perfect all-in-one cleaning tool to not only clean everything inside my house, but even some appliances outdoors too. In addition, I absolutely love my electric scrubbing brush, but this would make a fantastic gift for friends and family too. You guys have to check this out for yourself.